first take you to my least favorite part of this room, which is
It felt like a real love. Hold me in your sweater.
Hey guys, welcome to our room here at Kingsford Hotel Manila. This is room 1624. Let's do a quick room tour. Alright, finally doing this once again. So, this is the entrance. Upon entering the room, you'll see a full-size mirror here. Let me first take you to my least favorite part of this room, which is the bathroom. I actually do not like the bathroom. It's so simple. It's not extravagant or luxurious. Usually, a 3-star hotel would invest in a good, bathroom. But this one is very simple. You have your toilet, very normal tiles, very normal flat mirror, and then here you have your vanity mirror, and then you have your toiletry, even the towels. Hindi siya malambot. And then look at the shower area. They just provided a shower curtain, and then there's your shower area. Plain and simple. What's different here in Kingsford Hotel room is this open layout closet. Usually the hotels are providing closed cabinets, so you can hang your clothes there, but this one, open layout closet, very modern, I would say, because it gives a minimalist feel. Para siguro I think to minimize na rin the space. You can hang your clothes here. They also provide, by the way, your safe deposit box is already here, but they also provide the dividers below. So you can fold your clothes and put it inside. And then there's a basket here with slippers. Bedroom slippers. So there, that's something different. And then over here is the bed, queen size bed with there's an accent wall right here, and then the bed is facing the TV, of course. The TV, it's not even smart TV. It's just the simple HD TV. What can you expect? It's a budget room for 3,888 guys. So, you can already enjoy your staycation at 3,888 in this beautiful place here in Pasay City, right next to Okada. Okay, and then over here this is a multi-purpose table because this serves as your work table and your dining table. A couch. Couch with ottoman. And then there is a ref. Personal ref. I like the accent chair here. And then when you open this curtain, you will see the beach and the ilog. There's the beach, Manila Bay. We're facing the beach view area, and this is the ilog. And there is Manila Bay, and then there is an open area here that flows into this stream. You can leave these curtains open so that you have a view of the Manila Bay area, or for your sanity, you can close this. Kita tayo. And that's it, guys. I hope you like this room tour. We're gonna take you to the swimming pool area later, and then tomorrow we'll see how their breakfast buffet looks like. It's gonna gonna be at the Kingsford Cafe down below. By the way, we're kind of expecting this is gonna be crowded. As you've seen in the lobby earlier, there's a lot of people checking in. There's actually a line, and then there are some people waiting pa dun sa mga chairs. So I'm not sure if they're all checked in here. Probably they're just inquiring for a unit or something. But we're kind of expecting it's gonna be crowded as well.
Not in the cards, right? Well, you told me forever, kept me hoping for the better. You were like the sunrise, I'll never let go. Light in the sky, take me home. It felt like a real love. Oh, oh. My friends say to move on. You're long gone. I'm so lost. You're all that I want. So I keep on. Oh, you got me stuck. I'm waiting for you. I'll spend my whole life here trying to get through to you. I'm wishing on a star you want me to. Baby, come back to what we knew. Oh, it's true. It's true. I'm waiting for you. I see you in every crowd, hoping and I'm praying you'll come running back and say it. I know it was hard for us. Nothing lasts forever, but I thought we would be better. My friends say to move on. You're long gone. I'm so lost. You're all that I want. So I keep on. Oh, you got me stuck. I'm waiting for you. I'll spend my whole life here trying to get.
It's 6 a.m. and there's not a lot of people yet, so let's go ahead and check out the breakfast.
It felt like a real love. Hold me in your sweater, thought we'd always be together. Maybe it's not in the cards for us. Well, you told me forever, kept me hoping for the better. You were like the sunrise, I'll never let go. Light in the sky, take me home. It felt like a real love. Oh, oh. My friends say to move on. You're long gone. I'm so lost. You're all that I want. So I keep on. Oh, you got me stuck. I'm waiting for you. I'll spend my whole life here trying to get through to you. I'm wishing on a star.
There's quite a lot of food selection. We're surprised. So let's see if sarap siya.
Baby, come back to what we knew. Oh, it's true. It's true. I'll keep waiting for you. I see you in every crowd, hoping and
You can see my favorite hotel, the pool area. So, if galing ka sa Okada and then yung pang check-in mo, ubus mo na, ito na lang. Talo ka sa Okada. You have the option to stay. Good job din si Kingsford.
back and say it. I know it was hard for us. Nothing lasts forever, but I thought we would be better. My friends.
So, will I recommend this hotel? Of course, it's a yes. Again, choosing a hotel depends on your preference. If you're looking for a budget hotel that Has all the amenities like swimming pool, a very good and clean room, nice hotel staff, and a good breakfast. I think this is a good deal for you. For only 3,888, you can stay at this wonderful hotel and have a relaxation staycation. What I like most about this hotel is that their room is clean and very modern, minimalist. But since it's a budget hotel, expect a very crowded situation, like in the lobby, upon checking in, during breakfast, at around 6:30 a.m. The restaurant was already full, but I think they had a good selection of breakfast. We weren't expecting that there's a lot. We love their chicken afritada. I think that it was delicious. They had bread pudding, which is surprisingly good as well. And we also enjoyed the fruits. The watermelon, it was seedless, so, and sweet. So yeah, I think that was already sulit for the amount you paid for in this staycation. They have valet service. Yun lang, since the restaurant or the hotel is fully booked, you have to wait for, like, if you call in for room service, and if you want to call in for any assistance inside the room, it might take longer than usual. But other than that, that's fine, understandable. As long as they provide good service, we're okay with that. If you want more of this type of videos, don't forget to leave a comment down below and like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on my next